Hello everyone. I have been collecting stuff for my scavenger hunt pages, and I want to get started on it. I'm not going to go from the front to the back because there's some pages I know I want to put on certain things. One of the things that we have to use is labels or stickers, and I want to use some that I have for page numbers. And for the life of me, I can't find them right this minute. So I'm not going to actually put my page numbers in the book right now. But I wanted to show you that I used washi tape on the front of the book. This is the scavenger hunt discussion for 2022. And then back here in the back of the book, I put my list that is numbered. And when I'm sure of the page numbers, I will be putting in, I will write right next to it the page that those things are on. I have a second list so that I can scribble all over it. And I'll just, count the pages. Like this is page 1, and then I'll have to count to see what pages I am using for the other things. I'm probably just going to get quiet and maybe speak to you here and there, but I'm just going to work along and see how far I can get today. Oh, I have to tell you these. One of our prompts is... Just a minute, I'll find it. It's never have I ever questions. And I found that they do this for a Christmas game. And these never have I ever questions are Christmas never have I ever peeked at my gifts before Christmas, regifted a Christmas present, pulled an all-nighter wrapping gifts, gone to an ugly sweater party, kissed under the mistletoe, gone Christmas caroling, eaten a fruitcake, cut down my own Christmas tree, or seen the Nutcracker Ballet live. So, since they were Christmas, and I have Christmas postage that's canceled postage, and I'm going to put it on my Christmas wrap page, because I have all this Christmas postage I'm going to put on there. I thought they were real cute, so Okay, guys, I think that better be it for today. Let me bring you in and show you what I've done. I had to stop the video anyway, so I went ahead and got the labels that I was talking about. I hunted them down and found them. These are really old labels, and they just have a fun patina to them, so I love using them for numbers. I think it's going to be cute. So the labels and the washi tape are taken care of. This page had a lot on it. This is my random useless fact, which says the oldest evidence for soup is from 6000 BC and calls for hippopotamus and sparrow meat. This page has a jelly print on it. It has my soup label. I'm supposed to use foil. Now I'll probably use foil again just because, but that is a candy wrapper that is foil, and this is a candy wrapper. So there's my candy wrappers, and that's my vegetable tag. Now, my vegetables don't come with tags. They usually come in a bag, but that's a vegetable tag. It's the closest I can come, or a banana tag. If I happen to find something with a vegetable tag on it, I will later. These are my snarky remarks. I'm already visualizing the duct tape over your mouth. Who, me? I just wander from room to room. The fact that no one understands you doesn't make you an artist. I think that's pretty snarky. This playing card with my cartoon character on it. It's a playing card, cartoon character, and it has a snarky remark on it. It says, "Now who do I throw this at?" Don't bother me, I'm living happily ever after. Therapy is expensive. Popping bubble wrap is cheap. You choose. I'm not crazy. I've been in a very bad mood for the last 30 years. So this satisfied a lot of prompts too. Post-it notes, snarky remarks, cartoon character, and playing card. And it's on a book page. And I'm not sure I put that down, but it is. I haven't done anything on that page yet, but we'll find something. This page is a mixture of the games. There's a lot of game parts and pieces we have to have for this. So this one is an old maid card, parts and pieces from Monopoly, which I happen to have these little pieces from a miniature Monopoly game, and I thought they would be cute in here. I had some bigger Monopoly money, but I thought this was cute. And a glue card. I was really lucky because I only have a few of those cards. But I also had, from the miniature game, had a couple of the little cars. Oops, they're off green, sorry. So I used the little miniature cars as my charms. This one has gift wrap, canceled postage, and my never have I ever questions, which I read you earlier. And I'm just scribbling it on here for now. I will go in and put it on the other pages later, because like this is page 6 is also jelly print. So I'll probably put all the jelly print. This is a 6, not a G. 6. All the jelly print pages on too. Now this is going to get harder and harder to do. Less will get done later as things, as I have to back off with things, and I don't know exactly, you know, what's happening as far as what, you know, what things are going to go together. I've been collecting, and I've got a lot of little pieces over here, so we'll just have to see how it goes with the next few pages. But it gets harder as you get further down on your list. So just have fun with it. Oh, I forgot. This is Janet Young and her channel. I will put it down here in the description box below. She always starts this game on New Year's Eve. And she has a list of the prompts. Like I said, I'll put Janet's channel and the video where she talks about it down below in the description box. And go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.